방탄소년단이 진격한다면 어떨까?
Hello ARMYMOOs, ARMYMOO Bangtan back with another video. For this video, we will be reacting to the Rainy Days on Inkigayo. He performed Rainy Days just for Inkigayo. This is a good one. I love the chill lo-fi vibe of it. And it's just pure art. The true artist in Tae, in both contexts, artist as a singer, artist as a performer, artist as an artist who creates just masterpieces of art. Paintings, drawings, animations. Tae can visualize all of it and share it with us. And Rainy Days is a good representation for all of those things. But it also gives you that melancholic, stay at home feeling to it. This could be an emotional song in some way, because when it's raining, you have nowhere to go, and you're all alone. We're gonna hear that rain and Tae's voice along with it. Let's go! Rainy Days. I'm thinking about you, Tae. Whoa, look at this setup! Okay, instruments. Whoa! Is he just in his pajama pants? Talk about comfortable clothing. Oversized shirt and everything. It's matching to the theme of Rainy Days music video, for sure.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
His hands are in his pocket.
Whoa!
What an entrance! Woo! This stage is so unique. Two different rooms. There's the rain pouring down. That is so cool looking.
Can we go back to the moment again? Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy.
Ooh, okay. You can see the rain all around him. Wow, what a cool effect that is. And his entrance, I thought that was the stage. But no, the doors opened and he's on the stage now. But he was all alone in that room with all of those instruments. So surprising. But look at him in that, like, casual pajama wear. This is something you would just wear at home when it's raining. This is awesome! And armies are there! The way he enters the stage like that, I'm amazed by this. And his hair, he like straightened his bangs. It's like super straight. Very different compared to the other hairstyles of the various music show stages. He changes it up each time. It's got just a different feel to it. He can do all the styles. He looks good in everything. Wow, okay. And he's like, what was that? Let's see that again.
Amazing. Have a chance to still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days left, rainy days. I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days left.
That is so beautiful! Wow, the flowers and the art pieces.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make you fall all the time you lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지, and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
He's texting you. Yeah, army cheers! Cheer for him loud! Woo! Oh, his tiny little smile. Was that a Tata mic face a little bit? I could see it. Yeah, it was. I could see that. Rainy bee days. I'm thinking about you whenever it rains. Oh, by the way, when it rains, listen to this song. It matches the mood just perfectly. Listen to this song whenever it pours outside, because Taehyung's voice will make you feel comforted and wash away all that rain. That was so good. And it was artistic. The different effects on the stage, it was just showing the raindrops like on a window, but then it shows these art pieces. And he was in a room that almost looked identical to one of the rooms he was in Rainy Days music video. That was intentional, for sure. That was just really cool to see. Yeah, this is pretty special. Artistic Tae is the true artist for you. What a masterpiece of a comeback stage. Rainy Days, only on Inkigayo. Thank you so much for watching, ARMYs and Taehyung Sins. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Rainy Days. Forte.